tied the knot, so here I am. On the value on the Texas line, love the Louisiana and the red jumper line. Well, the morning walk, I had the guitar in my hand by the time I could talk. Had my own band. Went on the road when I was 8 years old. Turned 15, I was feeling the show. Money to burn and the girls were pretty. It took me longer than an hour to fall the boogie out. Well, then I was 18 went to Hollywood. I met Elvis and Marilyn, Johnny B. Good. My guitar painted in some California sun. Red Cadillac, and I was too much fun. Play them halls and jamming the club. Moved it on over to MGM. I said, this is the boy to tell you about. He lit a cigar and he stuck his hand out. Hey son, we got a deal on you. Make you a star, give me 50,000 too. Told him my mama didn't raise no fools. I take your money, I make you move it. Tell you right now, I was born to boogie. What I do now is what I did then. I like to get down with all my rowdy friends. Well, I can be sweet and I can be mean. Still got my hat, I still wear my jeans. My shades of chrome, my guitar steel. You think I want to believe me, I will. Down on you, baby. Hey, I'm a rookie. We're riding the party and I was born to boogie. What I do now is what I did then. I like to get down with all my rowdy friends. Well, I can be sweet and I can be mean. Still got my hat, I still wear my jeans. My shades of chrome, my guitar steel. You think I want to believe me, I will. Down on you.